Sana ay napakasayang first day of school ay naging first trauma mo. Ito matapos yanigin ng magnitude 7.8 na lindol ang Southern Mindanao ngayong umaga, June 8, 2026. One of the strongest earthquake recorded anywhere in the world so far this year, 2026. What makes this even more heartbreaking is that nangyari ito on the first day of school. Maraming bata ang nag-a-attend ng kanilang morning flag ceremony nang niyanig ang lugar. Some are calling it a miracle as being outside the classroom protect the children from damaged buildings. Videos circulating online na nagpapakita ng mga terrified students and teachers rushing to safety nang tumama ang lindol. Meanwhile, one of the most shocking scenes mula General Santos City naman kung saan nakuhanan ng mismong pag-collapse ng Jollibee building na nagpapatunay ng lakas ng naturang lindol. Tsunami warnings were issued as the quake was followed by multiple aftershocks. Hundreds were injured at may mga naitala na ding buhay na nawala. Bukod pa sa napakaraming pinsalang dulot ng lindol. Tuloy-tuloy naman ang rescue operations habang minomonitor pa din ng mga authorities ang posible pang aftershocks. Our thoughts and prayers go out to all the families affected. Stay safe, stay informed, and follow official advisories. Bangon Sarangani, Bangon Mindanao.